Hey there, finance enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest money management tips for 2025. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to transfer money from your PayPal account to a debit card. Whether you're freelancing, selling online, or just need quick access to your funds, this step-by-step guide will make it easy and hassle-free. Let's dive right in. First things first, before you start, ensure your debit card is linked to your PayPal account. If it's not, head to the Wallet section in your PayPal dashboard and add it by entering your card details. This is crucial for a smooth transfer process. Step 1. Log into your PayPal account using your email and password. Make sure you're on a secure connection to protect your information. Step 2. Once logged in, navigate to the Wallet or Balance page. Here, you'll see your available funds. Step 3. Look for the Transfer Funds or Withdraw Money option. This might be under a menu like Money or Activity, depending on the updated 2025 interface. Step 4. Select your debit card from the list of linked accounts. If you have multiple options, double-check you're choosing the right one. Step 5. Enter the amount you want to transfer. Be mindful of any daily limits or fees that PayPal might apply. Always review these before proceeding. Step 6. Hit Confirm and follow any additional verification steps, like entering a code sent to your phone for security. And that's it. Your transfer should process within 1 to 3 business days, though it might be instant in some cases. Remember, fees can vary, so check PayPal's policies for 2025 to avoid surprises. This method keeps your finances flexible and secure. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that like button. Subscribe for more 2025 finance hacks, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay savvy.